Hi, I'm Pedro Placencia with Country Real Estate in California's beautiful Central Coast. Today we're in the city of San Luis Obispo for a tour of this home in the highly sought after Colonial Manor mobile home park. Let's go have a look. The community here at Colonial Manor provides a fantastic opportunity for affordable living in the city of San Luis. It's a very well maintained, non-age restricted park, so family friendly, and it's centrally located. So within about 7 minutes, you can be in downtown San Luis. You could be at the airport, the train station, shopping, dining, and within a block or two, there's parks and schools. And just steps away, there's bike paths, walking paths, hiking, and many other outdoor activities. Here we are at the home. It was built in 1982. It was recently inspected and is California Title 25 compliant. It's very well maintained and has had quite a few recent upgrades. Let's go have a look. We can pull in right into the private covered up carport. That includes a little bit of storage. Let's go ahead and step inside. We step right into the living room, and it is a single wide mobile home. The home is very well maintained. It has an open floor plan with lots of windows, so it's bright. It has newer vinyl plank floors. And the kitchen has also been upgraded with newer cabinets, quartz countertops with a marble double sink. The home has 2 bedrooms and it's a split floor plan. So one bedroom on one side, the other on the other side. Let's go have a look here. This bedroom has a large closet and features a half bath. On the other side of the house is the second bedroom. It also has a good sized closet. Right outside this bedroom is a full bath, which has also been completely updated. And one of the great features here on this home is that through this glass door, this second bedroom opens up to a bonus room. So it can be a sunroom, a playroom, family room, den, a little library. All these windows provide a lot of natural light and good cross ventilation. And for an additional breeze, you can open this door and step outside to the carport, or it can make a great private entry to a living space. A nice bonus in this home is this indoor laundry area, and it includes the washer dryer, and you have plenty of storage up above. This side door from the laundry room gives you access to a little bit of space in the back here if you wanted to garden or have a little patio set up. Amenities within Colonial Manor include a clubhouse with lounge area, game room, pool table, a full kitchen, a restroom, and an outdoor event space. If you'd like to learn more about this home and others like it on the Central Coast, be sure to reach out to me. I'd love to help.